Hey and welcome to Alpha One. This new series going to start now is to build a Forex account from $100. And the way I'm going to do it is a little different. I'm going to use TradingView for the indicator. The indicator we're using is something called TradeMate. It's a free version that we can use in TradingView. Later on, when we start to make more money, we are going to go for the paid version that we're going to put installed into the MetaTrader you see also there to the left. But we have taken our first trade using this indicator, and this indicator will basically tell us when to close the trades. So, first of all, below the video you'll find a link to the broker I'm using. That's the best spread, is the broker you need. Because you need a broker that have tight spread, because the spread can be the difference from you losing money and making money in Forex. So, like I said, to make things simple so you can actually follow me on this, I'm only going to take trades based on TradeMate. So when TradeMate give me a signal, we are taking the trade, and when TradeMate tell me to close the trade, so like for example, like you see, let me see how now. If I can move myself a little up. As you see, for example, here you see a red cross. So we are basically waiting for a red cross like this. When we get a red cross like this, that means we closing the trade. And then we just wait for the next signal. A signal is this green arrow thing you see there. When we see an arrow like this, that means we are taking a trade. And when we see a red cross in the top, we are closing it. So basically this indicator is telling when to open and close the trade. So our target is to build a $100 account as fast as possible. In the start, I will only take 0.01 lot size, but later on we are going to take more. So, but first, I think maybe we manage like 10% today. Let's see. I see we are hovering around $8 profit right now. We could have closed it. It's a nice trade, but we will follow it 100% so you can follow also. So we need to wait for the cross to come and then we close the trade. So I will leave a link to TradingView. I will leave a link to TradeMate. I will leave a link to the broker. So if you want alerts, with the free version you can just have one alert. It's not so nice. So you should go for the pro version. The pro version costs $19-ish a month, but it's worth it. You can see my first trade here now is close to $8 already, so we are going to make profit with this, of course. So with that, let's see how we do. I will update this tomorrow and we will see all the open and closed trades I have done. I don't know how many trades I'll do today, but at least we'll finalize this trade today. So tomorrow will be a new day and a new video. So if you like this type of things, make also sure that put the subscribe button, put the bell alert so you can see every single video when they come out. So let's see how we can build account from $100 together. So with that, have a perfect day.